Agronomists are amazed by this. Peppers are growing like never before. Let me show you a simple yet powerful natural fertilizer that makes peppers grow like crazy. Peppers love warmth, sunlight, and loose, rich soil. They don't like too much water because their roots can rot, but they thrive with regular feeding. Removing lower leaves and weeds improves airflow and keeps the plant healthy. With good care and proper nutrition, peppers can produce strong, healthy fruits all season long. So let's prepare this easy homemade booster. In half a liter of warm water, dissolve 3 grams of dry yeast. Yeast helps root growth and strengthens the entire plant thanks to B vitamins and beneficial fungi that enrich the soil. Next, add a spoonful of sugar or honey. This feeds the yeast and speeds up its activation, releasing helpful compounds and carbon dioxide that improve soil structure and boost plant growth. Now add 1 spoon of nettle tea. Nettle is rich in nitrogen, iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all vital for fast leaf growth, green color, and strong photosynthesis. For an extra benefit, mix in half a spoon of garlic powder. Its strong smell repels insects, and its natural sulfur compounds protect against fungal diseases. Let all sit in water for a few hours. Then strain and dilute with 3 more liters of water. Water your peppers every 10 days, early in the morning or late in the evening. Each plant needs about 250 milliliters. And friends, check out our next video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.